Want to share your location with someone on WhatsApp using an Android phone? Here's how to do it. Open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you're logged into the specific account. Now, open the chat or the conversation with the person that you want to share your location with. Now, tap on the paperclip icon next to the messages box. From the options that appear, select a location. Then, after select continue, select while using the app. And to go through this process, you need to make sure that the GPS is enabled. So, go to your location settings, turn it on, and then click on send your current location, and it will be sent to that specific person. Your location will be sent as a message in the chat. You can also choose to share live location if you want the other person to see your location as you move. So that's it. This is how you can easily share your current location or live location on WhatsApp using an Android phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.